The strength of the program simply lies in its flexibility, and that flexibility can be demonstrated in the format in which we have designed the program. The program has both synchronous and asynchronous learning features, which is to say, most of our content is pre-recorded. So a working professional after their day's work can sit down whenever it's convenient for him and her and sort of go through the videos that we have provided. Along with the videos, we also provide a lot of reading material and quizzes which can be perused by our students at their own convenience. Secondly, we have a lot of asynchronous activities in a scenario where students have doubts, clarifications, or they want to discuss a variety of world events that are happening around them. They have one-on-one interactions as well as group interactions with their peers and their professors. So both these elements come together to make a comfortable learning experience for our students, even if they are not from the field or if they are working professionals. So international affairs in itself as a subject is dynamic, evolving, and it's constantly changing. So we've taken three basic measures to ensure that the students get a eagle's eye perspective of the subject. The first thing that we've done is we have professors from a variety of disciplines. We have sociologists, we have historians, we have economists. Each of them are experts in their field, so they provide their own specialized approach towards studying the subject. Secondly, students often complain of a theory-praxis divide while studying international relations. To deal with that problem, we have a variety of experts. We have colonels, we have diplomats, people who have dealt with the day-to-day realities of international affairs, and they offer their own experiences to the students, which is a unique aspect within this program. Thirdly, the students and their diverse perspectives, since they come from a variety of backgrounds, they are engineers, we have government officials, we have students working in international organizations. Each of them, through debates, discussions, offer their own unique perspective, which makes the program more and more diverse with every passing year. The program has a 4-credit research module that the student can opt for. This is particularly helpful for students who are interested in working in think tanks, research, or want to pursue higher education. Once a student identifies their research area based on the expertise of the professor, we match them to the supervisor. We have experts that specialize in different areas of the world, be it Asia, Latin America, or Australia. Further, we have experts who also are specialized within a specific research methodology, be it qualitative and quantitative. Together, the student and the professor work for at least 3 months to come up with a thesis that deals with a specific research problem.